Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to personalize your WhatsApp experience by changing the notification tone for messages. This simple tweak can make a big difference in how you interact with your messages. First, let's get started by opening WhatsApp on your device. Once you're on the main screen, you'll notice 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Tap on these dots to access the menu. From the drop-down options, select Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Notifications. This section allows you to manage how you receive notifications from WhatsApp, including the sound you hear when someone sends you a message. In the Notifications menu, you'll see several options related to message notifications. Tap on Notification Tone. This is where you can change the default sound that plays when you receive a message. You'll be presented with a list of available tones that you can choose from. Pick a tone that you like. You can preview each sound by tapping on it, so feel free to explore until you find the perfect one. Once you've selected your preferred tone, it will be set as your new notification sound for WhatsApp messages. This process is straightforward and works on both Android and iOS devices. By changing your notification tone, you can differentiate WhatsApp messages from other notifications on your phone, making it easier to know when someone is trying to reach you. Customizing your notification sound is a great way to personalize your WhatsApp experience and ensure that you never miss an important message. Whether you prefer a more discreet tone or something that grabs your attention, the choice is yours. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful in enhancing your WhatsApp experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.